Hey guys, Rosie here with Team Impact. You know what? I'm redoing this video. And the reason why I'm redoing this video is because the last video I did, I noticed I was just kind of talking all over the place and I kind of want to get my message clear and across. So, first thing, if you're on my Team Impact for Easy One Up, please share this video because this video is going to help you guys get some leads and some prospects, okay? So first off, if you guys don't know I'm Rosie, one of the leaders with Team Impact and the owner of Boss Mom Marketing, my fan page. Let me just bring you guys back a little bit. Okay. So about myself, my name is from Hawaii, mother of two, and I'm going to introduce you guys to a company that has completely rocked my world and has been such a blessing to thousands and thousands of people all over the world. Now, at first, I know a lot of people are like, oh, is this legit? Is this person really making money? So let me show you guys a little bit of social proof, okay? So this is my PayPal account. Let me just refresh this. And I don't want you guys seeing what I purchased. So this is my PayPal account. And in the last 30 days, I was able to clear over $13,000. This is just with one business that I've been in. And let me show you guys what I was able to make in the past week. So let's go over here. And so in just less than 7 days, you guys, in less than 7 days, I was able to generate over $5,000. And let me tell you, it just wows me. It just wows me. 4 years ago, I was broke. I was a mom. Well, I am a mom. Mom of two, living in Hawaii. I was actually living in my parents' rental. If you guys are from Hawaii, you'll understand that it's hard. It's hard. It's so hard. But I was living in my parents' rental, and my electricity was off. The electric company came over and they shut it off. And I remember thinking to myself, I needed to make a change. Like something has to change. And I don't care what it is. I will work and I will do whatever it takes to make a change in my life. And that's when I got into internet marketing. And it just blew me away. So the company that I'm going to show you guys today is called Easy One Up. This company has been around for almost 2 years. The owner of the company, his name is Peter Wolfing. And I've had the pleasure to meet him in New York City. I went to an event in New York City. Got the pleasure to meet him and his son and his wife. And so did my family. I flew my daughter up with me. And then we had the pleasure to meet him once more about a month ago. He was attending a commission expo. And I met up with him and his son, brought my husband, brought my daughter, and my sister-in-law. And Peter is such an amazing person. So humble, very genuine. And he's someone that I enjoy learning from. And I know products on yourself for your own. You can always go to easyoneup.com, okay? And go over to the product page. Now, on the product page, it's going to share with you the different products that we offer. So these are all digital educational products. These products are going to help you guys grow your business, start your business, or maybe you just want to learn how to do simple things. So like, let's say you want to learn how to become an affiliate, okay, for anything. What's an affiliate? I'm going to show you guys something. Every popular business, like, for example, Best Buy. The reason why I refer to Best Buy a lot is because we shop there a lot. My husband is a big technical geek, okay? So this is why I always mention Best Buy. Anyways, with Best Buy, there's an affiliate program right here. So every business out there has an affiliate program. Why? Because affiliates help businesses make money. Now, is Best Buy a scam? Is Best Buy a Ponzi scheme? Because if you become an affiliate of their program and you sell their stuff, you get a commission. And that's how it works. Let's look at another program, Sephora. Okay. So Sephora is a very popular business, makeup cosmetic business, and they have an affiliate program as well. So whenever you sell any of their products, you receive a commission. So with Easy One Up, let's go back here. When you become a member and you purchase at the level that you want to sell, you are able to you're able to resell it for a commission. So if you come in at the elevation level, which is $25, you'll be able to resell it, the elevation level only, for a $25 commission. Elevation Elite is $100. So if you guys come in at this level, you're able to create generate a $100 commission plus a $25 commission. You'll be able to have both levels. You come in at the $1,000 level, you'll be able to earn commissions on all 5 levels. See, so again, if you guys have a chance, go to easy1up.com, click on product, and you guys can go ahead and you'll learn about all the digital series that we have here. Okay. So there we go. So now, if you want to learn how to make big commissions, I would suggest coming in at the 2 higher levels, which is a Vertex Elite or the Vertex Pro. If you decide to come in at any of those 2 levels, me or Carlin, we will personally hop on a hangout with you guys, a one-on-one call, and we will help you guys set up everything you need. Now, if you have ever tried anything before, any of these kind of businesses online, and you're like, oh, it never worked for me, I can guarantee you never had a sponsor like us. And the reason for that is because we're internet marketers. We know how to use the internet, and we know how to use Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads, this is going to help you guys generate so much leads to you guys. So you don't have to bother your auntie or uncle or mom and dad and get them to join you. We're going to show you guys how to use Facebook ads. People from all over the world is going to want information on how to get started. And all you need to do is make 5 sales. If you're at the Vertex Pro level, you just make 5 sales, and that'll help you generate a $5,000 commission every month. And you guys, these are all one-time payments. So, for example, I came in at the Vertex Pro. Well, actually, no. I came at the Vertex Elite, and then once I generated enough profits, I upgraded to the Vertex Pro level. And so I paid my $1,000 commission 2 years ago. And I never had to pay for anything else after that. I just, I was always able to make money with Easy One Up. So it's crazy. It's such a good company, and I love it. And I'm excited to share it with you guys. Once you join anybody in our team, we have a fast start training guide. It's a step-by-step training guide. So all you need to do is follow the directions and, put everything together. If you need help, me and Carlin, we do hangouts, like nightly hangouts, not like nightly, but like every other day we do like a night hangout, and we get on a Zoom call with our team members, and we'll stay on for like 2 or 3 hours. All you have to do is hop on and ask a question, and we can help you guys. So you will never be without, you know what I mean? We'll always be there to help you. And if you come in the Vertex Pro or the Vertex Elite, we will personally help you guys set up your system so you can profit. Now, you're not going to be joining a sponsor or a team leader that don't know what they're doing. And it doesn't matter who you join. As long as you join someone in our team, you'll be able to have the same training, the same support, and the same encouragement as well. We help everybody. We don't do personal calls with everybody, but we will help everybody who comes on these hangouts with us, okay? So don't think that you're going to be without yourself. So it doesn't matter who you join, as long as it's someone within Team Impact, okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. You can message our fan page, or you can message the person that shared this video with you. If it's any of our team members in Team Impact, you can message them. And if they don't have the answer, not to worry. They'll reach out to us and we can help them with the answers. So, yeah, I hope to see you guys on our team soon. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to message us and we'll get it going. Aloha.